Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This year, Al Hidayah International Public School has organized a cooking competition among all the teachers, and the main theme of the competition is innovative, healthy recipes. So, all the teachers have participated with great pompous. Let us see what happens. Thank you.
Today's recipe is Chayotic Sweet Delight. Consists of milk, condensed milk, sugar, raisin, cardamom, kesar, almond and ghee. Chayotic is a Spanish name for the boring squash vegetable. So I thought make a twist of it that our children and youngsters who are who are not interested in vegetable, they will at least have some vegetables in that way. My name is Rashmi Bordile.
My dish name is kheer. Rice kheer. Yes.
It's all right. Okay. My dish name is fried bread. The ingredient is bread, flour, eggs, sugar, vegetable, oil, and salt. And my name is Kim Heng Na.
The name of my dish is fruit salad. And ingredients are milk maid, mayonnaise, fruits, cream. That's it.
The name of my dish is veg pulao. I have the ingredients are vegetables and rice, and the basic pulao method is followed in this dish.
Assalamu alaikum. My dish name is tangy twist chicken. Ingredient chicken, turmeric powder, jeera powder, chili powder, black pepper, chicken masala, salt, garam masala powder, food color, ginger garlic paste, 1 egg, corn flour, lemon juice, oil, soya sauce, tomato sauce, chili sauce and capsicum.
Assalamu alaikum. The name of my dish is moong dal halwa. The ingredients are refined oil, milk, ghee, kaju, moong dal, peanut paste, sugar, besan and semolina.
I have made a dessert with Joha rice. It is a special rice which is cultivated in Assam and all over India. It is known for aromatic and sweetness. For this recipe, I have used milk, 2 liter, Joha rice, 120 gram, 1 cup of sugar, cardamom, bay leaf, and cinnamon stick and date juice. I have made with date juice. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. মই অসমীয়া থালি অসমীয়া এসাঁজ বনাইছোঁ। আজি এটা আছে বগা ভাত, বেঙেনা ফ্ৰাই, পটল ফ্ৰাই, মাছৰ চাটনি, আলু চাটনি আৰু 3 জাতৰ পাচলি ভাজি, মচুৰ দালি বৰ আৰু বিলাহী টেঙা আৰু খাৰৰ দালি লগত বুট, চিৰাই আৰু চালাড।
Assalamu alaikum. This is firni. This is actually my amma style firni. This is like her. It's made of love only because because we all know that amma's love is something very innovative and special, and this is by her, and I made it with my innovation. I made it with milk, semolina, that is suji, sugar, kesar, keora for taste, some elaichi powder and like elaichis also, cashew, almonds and several almonds. Thank you.
So this is papad roll. I made with the fillings are veggies like tomato, capsicum, onion and chopped onion, chilies and all with veggies, and the outer roll is with papad. So yeah.
So this is veg dilruba kebab. This is like I have added here some vegetables like cauliflower, carrot, beans and beet curds. I have added here, and here I have added one special that til. I have added that one thing, and so this is my dish. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Today I have prepared chili chicken on the eve of Teachers' Day. Generally, chili chicken is a Indo-Chinese dish which popularly it has been started in India. However, most of the times we see that boneless chicken is allowed in chili chicken, but today I have used bone-in chicken because I wanted to try something different. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. So my recipe is actually it is related to 3 age group, that is toddler special, young special and elder. So I try to give some innovation in my recipe. For example, this, what happens, a child, they need a lot of iron in their body, but they don't feel like eating beetroots, which is a great source of iron. So I try to make a jam out of beetroot. Then this one is for the younger boys and girls. What happened, they need a lot of protein at this age, so they don't feel like eating soybean and all. Instead of giving non-veg, there are chicken. In chicken also they can get lots of protein, but I just want to twist this because they don't feel like eating soybeans and all. So I have prepared a kheer out of soybean. So it is a soybean kheer, and this one is for the elder old people. What happened, at old age, people used to suffer from pains and all. So what happened, it is a pain reliever. So they used to suffer from pain and on. So I tried to make a kheer out of turmeric. So this is a turmeric kheer, haldi ka kheer. So this is very much beneficial for the old peoples. It relieves pain. So I just put some innovation in this. I hope you all will like it. Thank you.
We are here presenting fruit salad, Indian fruit salad. We have done this project in team. Me and my name is Gulam Sansari and Tariq sir, he is with me. And we have used different fruits which are benefit for our health, and for there is fibrous food also, and many nutritional values is there. So this is all about our fruit salad. Thank you.